Gonna fuck this tree up. Yeah, take that, fucking tree. Fat man parkour. Alright. Hopefully I'll fall in. Oh, fuck. Oh yeah. Sweet. Alright. Gotta check this shit out. Some old school architecture. Cool. When they made shit to last. That's pretty cool. I wonder what this is about. Iron sort of pillars. Concrete pillar. No markings or names on it. Still cool though. Alright, back across the gap of death. Oh fuck! Oh shit! Oh fuck, that was close. Whew. Here's a cool pile of iron ore from where a train tipped over many moons ago. So there's lots of slingshot pellets everywhere. It's pretty sweet. Fuck, nature hikes make me have to take a shit. Right. Yep. Oh. Oh fuck. Yeah. Fuck you, nature. Another jump. Perfect. Now you probably can't see it, but there's a rabbit right, probably dead center of the screen. I'm gonna chuck this spear at it, see if we can have some dinner. Oh, not even close. Fucking starving. Whew. Shut the fuck up, piece of shit. Shut up. Shut up. You shut up. You shut your mouth. Shut up.